Hey, I'm Gary Ornoff, General Manager here at Master Billiards, and welcome. Come on in. We want to invite you to take a tour. And we've also got...
This is Karen Coffin with the National Billiard Academy. We're here with Gary at Master, our Virginia Beach area home and official training facility.
That's right. Official. It is official. We love partnering with them, and we want to show you why. So we're going to go inside and take a look at what not only Master has to offer, but the NBA, National Billiard Academy, has to offer. So come on in. Check it out. Come on in. Take a look around. Say hi to John. John's been here for quite a while.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to Masters.
Cool. Well, we're excited to have you in here today to take a quick tour. We want to show you what's going on here at Masters. We've been here since this building since 1992, but my uncle Barry Berman started Masters in 1971. So we've definitely got a steep history, not only in billiards, but in the entire community and probably the world with the U.S. Open 9-ball championships that he started in 1976. So
largest facility in the nation.
That's right.
Billiard room.
That's right. So we're, like I said earlier, we're happy to have you partner with us and vice versa, so we can help elevate the sport, because that's what it's all about.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a great facility, best pool room around, no doubt.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Well, come on, take a look around. We've got over 70 pool tables. I'm not going to tell you exactly how many. You guys can come in and count for yourself, but it's an amazing spot. We've got a variety of different tables. We've got Brunswicks, we've got diamonds, we've got valleys, big tables, little tables. So come on in and I'll give you a little tour of what's going on. We have tons of leagues that come into Masters, several hundred different leagues, a lot with the APA. They like to play right here on our Valley 7-foot tables. And we've got other divisions as well with the BCA and our own in-house leagues that are run by Tiger Baker. A lot of those guys like to play on the Diamond 7-foot tables. They're a little tighter pockets, a little tougher, but that's why they need to see the NBA to get that stroke right so they can pocket balls on a difficult table.
That's right. We'll see in just a bit where we teach back in a special room.
Exactly. So if you want to beat people with a stick, I know that's a good slogan for the NBA.
It is.
You definitely got to come to Masters. You got to schedule your next visit and make sure you hook up with the NBA.
One of the reasons why we like coming to Masters so much is because of their full menu. They've got a great selection, incredible staff. The kitchen is fabulous here. Works well, convenient for students during the clinic.
That's exactly right. Thank you. We pride ourselves on fresh berry burgers, corned beef sandwiches, wraps, salads, so we've got something for every taste bud, and the food is fantastic. So I've got a great staff that works hard, takes pride in what they do, so not only are you going to play pool on the best tables with the best conditions in probably the country, but you're going to enjoy some good food and good times as well.
Absolutely. Quality ingredients. I know Gary spends time researching all of that, getting the best deals he can with quality products.
And it's the people.
And
That's
it's
really
the people.
What it does.
100%. 100%.
Thank you. Thank you. So when you're not beating people with a stick, what are you doing here at Masters?
After a long day during the intensive pool clinic, learning fundamentals, ball control, better aiming, we like to relax and have a drink here at the bar at Master.
That's right. We've got a non-smoking area that's nice to enjoy, and also on the other side, we'll show you in just a few minutes, we've got a smoking section. So we've got 2 full bars along with the restaurant. It's a lot of fun to hang out.
This facility has it all.
And if all 70 pool tables are going and you're looking for something to do, we've added a great dart room. We call it the flight room. So, you know, the flight on the end of the dart. As well, we have flight options that are drinks. So you can get flights of bourbon, flights of different cocktails. So it's a fun thing to do in between. And we have leagues as well and tournaments for darts too. So
when you're not beating people with a stick, come play around the darts.
That's right.
Here at Master Billiards, the National Billiard Academy has our own private room for teaching. We get to use the tournament room. Let's go take a look and see. We've got a clinic going on right now. We've actually got the NBA CEO, Candace Coffin, here working away.
Candace, hey. She's doing a great job, and you know what's cool about the NBA? You used to have to, I guess, get lessons on the pool table that would cost you a lot of money. Especially in a room like this, you never know who is in here, and they might say, I'll give you some lessons for, you know, a few bucks a game. But Anyway, so it's great to have a partnership with a professional company that can do lessons and do the training without gambling.
And one of the benefits of the intensive pool clinic is that you have lifetime follow-up. So after taking the clinic, 6 months, 6 years, 60 years down the road, if you've got a question, give us a call and we'll follow up with you and make sure you get what you're needing.
Absolutely. We're getting a lot of great feedback, a lot of great response from people from all over the area, and so many people are traveling long distances actually just to come see Q Masters, see the NBA, and get a lot out of what they're getting. So
I think we're going to have International Billiard
that's
Academy.
Right. That's right. So glad to have you.
Thank you so much, Gary. We're glad to be here.
Also back here in the tournament room at Q Masters, we've got a 10-foot diamond table, which will really hone your skills. If you think you've contained this beast, come on down and give it a try. The pockets are extra tight as well. We've got 15 diamond tables here in the tournament room. It's a very special place. We've got seating for about 50 people as well. So we're proud to host lots of tournaments of all sizes in this fantastic, fantastic room.
It really is a great training facility for the National Billiard Academy to use. Again, each student gets their own table, and here at this facility we've got the room to do that and accommodate as many as we need to.
That's right. So when you get a chance, come by, take a look. There's black and white pictures all over the walls. Like I said earlier, it's almost like a museum in here. So come on, take a few minutes, not just to play pool, but take 15 minutes to walk around, take a look at all the history we've got here at Q Masters.
Our mission at the National Billiard Academy is to grow the billiard world, and Q Master is an excellent partner in helping us doing that.
And this is the best spot in town right here. We're sitting in the grandstand seating at the tournament room at Q Master Billiards in Virginia Beach, Virginia. There's room for about 50 to come and watch. And all I need right now is a cold drink. Can you bring me one? Come on down and bring me one. I'll tell you what, I'll even buy the first round. So come on and see what's happening right from this location. What do you think?
This is a great location to be able to watch the clinic going on, see all the happening, the learning.
Welcome to the green room here at Q Master Billiards. This is the smoking side. We've got a vast array of pool tables to choose from, so more than likely you'll be able to get a table when you come in and visit us here at Q Masters. But the green room is full of fun. We're busy probably about 7 nights a week, so get in here, check it out. We've got a great bar, full staff to serve you when you guys come in, so you'll have your own waitress, bartender, and great food and spirits, so come see it.
We've taught in this room as well, and it works in terms of having a lot of the tables. A lot of the students that we've taught, we can come in here and see them playing and see all the action going on.
I see you found the coolest 42nd annual U.S. Open photographic area, right? This is cool. This is where it's happened. This was actually at the 42nd U.S. Open at the Sheraton downtown Norfolk. The 43rd U.S. Open, big news, is going to be in Las Vegas. So 2019, April, come on and see us out at Las Vegas. We're excited to keep it rolling. Welcome into our room Shalom. We've got some cool tables in here as well. We've got a mixture of diamond 9-foot tables, diamond 7-foot tables. It is a smoking area, so some of the guys and girls like to enjoy a cigar or a cigarette and play on some of our fantastic tables. So this room is also used for private parties and events. So if your employer is looking for a place to host a good time for whether it's a holiday or just a morale booster, some team building, we do a lot of that, and most of them will rent out this room completely, and we'll set up a buffet and all kinds of good eats and drinks and enjoy it. So that's what it's here for. We're glad to have that for our community here at Q Masters.
Occasionally you'll see the staff of the NBA walking around and coming through here and checking out how folks' game is going.
That's right, that's right. So we've got guys of all skill levels that play throughout all of these rooms. So the tournament room is really different. You've got to have a slightly higher skill set to play back there. We want to know you. We want to know that you understand the etiquette and a lot of things that we try to emphasize, and also the NBA tries to emphasize, you know, as they're putting together a more serious skill set. So those guys are in the tournament room. Out here, we have a jukebox. We have a little more fun, but there are some good players too, so be careful.
That's right. The intensive pool clinic is for players of all levels,
Sure.
and what we'll do is help you take your game to that next level.
When you're in, also check out our carom billiard table. It's really unique. We've got the rules posted on the wall, so come in with a friend, try something different when you're exploring how to play pool. This is something super cool. No pockets at all. How you like that? So it's a unique game. You use 3 different balls, and you try to hit one ball into another, and then it's got to go 3 rails and then contact the 3rd ball, and you get a point for each time you do that. So it's a lot of fun. You learn the angles. It's very challenging, but it's just something so unique. No one else has one in this area. So when you're coming to visit Q Masters, take a peek at this table, see what you think, check it out. So this is our US Open 9-Ball Championships plaque. My uncle Barry Berman started it in 1976, and if you paint up a little higher, you'll actually see them shaking hands, congratulating them. 1976. Turkey sandwiches were only $1.25 if you notice. So the original location in Norfolk off Sewell's Point Road is where the US Open used to be held. And again, you can see a lot of the great history throughout the building here at Q Masters in Virginia Beach that shows a lot of the different winners, a lot of photographs. We've got Steve Miserak on the wall here, who also is a winner. I don't know if you remember the Miller Lite guy, but that's Steve Miserak, and here he is with Barry. And something also very cool, in 1985, if you've seen the movie The Color of Money, they actually came in, did a little bit of shooting. So you've got Tom Cruise right here as well, 1985, before the shooting of The Color of Money. So again, just great history here, a lot to take in. Check out the museum, I like to call it, of Q Master Billiards.
That's right.
Come on in, enjoy everything that we have to offer.
One of the many things the National Billiard Academy enjoys about coming to Q Master is the billiard history that's here, and the dedication to the pool world that Q Master, Gary, and all the fantastic staff here have.
Thank you, thank you. And if you need a cue, we've got that taken care of as well. Of course, I continue my shameless marketing, as I like to call it. There's pool cues behind you. Check it out. So we've got Nick Varner series and lots of different programs of cues with different price points from about $79 to, we keep it no more than about $500, but billiard cues can range all the way up into the thousands, and I've seen $10,000. So come on, check it out. We've got great apparel. Get you a Q Master shirt.
After going through the intensive pool clinic, you want to make sure that your cue is on point and ready to play. Learning with all the skills that you've learned during the intensive pool clinic. Here at Q Master, they've got an in-house pro shop.
That's right, that's right. You don't want to miss cue when it's an important shot. So Al Blackwell, we're proud to partner with him. He's got a fantastic shop all the way in the back. It's kind of a hidden secret here in Hampton Roads. So come on back, we'll give you a quick tour of the pro shop. Here we are, we're at Al Blackwell's pro shop here. That is amazing, so we can't wait to give you a quick tour of that. Dave Bowman, our house pro, started the shop years and years ago, back in the early 70s, and Al Blackwell has now taken the reins on the shop and does a great job. So come on in. Welcome in, guys. Come on and visit Al Blackwell if you need a tip put on, you need a new wrap put on, a custom cue, any kind of repair. This is the man, this is the shop, this is the best place to be. Come on in and visit Al and experience what it takes to get your cue in the best playing conditions.
Welcome.
Yeah, he's actually putting a wrap on this cue here. Man, when he gets these machines going and you hear the noise and you smell the smells, it makes you want to play pool. And one of the things I love too, if you take a pan over here, the shafts he's got aging in a certain system, a certain amount of time that they hang, and he tapers them down in phases to make sure that the cue is as straight as possible, it hits as good as it could possibly hit. So Al takes a lot of pride in his work, as you can tell. I take a lot of pride in having him here, and he takes care of all of our house cues as well. But definitely come on in, see what he can do, what he can make for you, or fix what you've already got and get your game going. That's what it's all about. That's why we've got the NBA here, so they can get your game in stroke too, right?
That's right, National Billiard Academy.
Get in stroke.
Come to the intensive pool clinic, come see Al and get your cue right.
And get beat with a stick. So again, when you come visit Al, keep in mind you don't have to clear your whole bank account to check out what he's got going on and maybe invest in a custom cue. He's got a lot of great ones already made, starting around $350. So it's a really good value. If we don't have anything in our pro shop up front, definitely come see Al if you want it to be a certain weight, some certain colors, some design. So Al is like an artist, and he'll be able to take care of you guys and really put your signature on your cue, make it feel right, make it play right. So come check him out, see what he can do for you. The National Billiard Academy. They say you want to beat people with a stick.